friends, it's Cal, and this is our 30-foot school bus we just turned into our dream home on wheels. But now we're taking you on a drive all the way across the country and back, so let's roll. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that way you know you're along for the ride. There are still plenty of miles left to cover. So we know moving into a diesel shop wasn't on our list of things to do. However, we did break down, but we did get the bus fixed. We made it back on the road and officially started our voyage west. First we made our way down to Georgia, where we picked up 2 new kittens, Puddles and Moose. We then made our way back up to Tennessee, exploring a Buc-ee's for the very first time. A few more miles got us over to Kentucky, where we spent some time exploring some caves together. I even learned a new word. We're gonna go what?
Spelunking.
A quick pit stop in Illinois led us very quickly over to Missouri, where we ate. And this is where we got to check out the Gateway Arch. Very unplanned. Now, to somehow get west, we made our way north to South Dakota.
Oh, I did it. Dude, I just got a video of a bison taking a...
Where we made another unplanned stop, explored Mount Rushmore. Hitting the road once again, we went on the most beautiful drive ever, officially landing ourselves over in Wyoming. But yeah, now we are currently exploring Wyoming together, and the best way to do that is to stop talking and let this do that. So we're gonna go. But one last thing, you're gonna want to buckle up. It's gonna be a wild ride. There might be a bison or two. Alrighty, I will see you guys. Just kidding, that's later. Alright, bye.
Do you want to spend the whole day at Yellowstone and go park where we parked last night?
Where did we park last night? How about this spot?
It's beautiful. I am surprised that it worked out as well as it did.
Alright, this is where we saw the buffalo and the guys are just there.
Oh, I think they're back over there too. We're just a few minutes away from the visitor center. We're gonna take a little bit. Pause, reset, do the thing. And then my lens is dirty. Guys, the little one is asleep. Blake and Zephyr are currently getting their bearings, walking around outside and playing for a little bit. We're at the visitor center. We're gonna go walk around and see what's up. Get a pin and a patch for our collection, and there's so much. There's like a fill-up station, like a fuel pump, like a gas station. There's like a auto repair shop. There's like general stores. Campgrounds. It's insane. I had no idea it was this big. So yeah, we're super excited to check it out. What is on my face? Is that a bruise? Blake's talking to people outside. Hi, buddy. She's laying in Zephyr's spot like Zephyr lays. Are you happy, Mama? That's really neat.
Okay. One. Do you want to build the truck first or the people in the trash first? Let's build the people in the trash first, okay? We open up the instructions.
So we made it to a pull-off. It looks like we're next to a river, and then there was a geyser and there was something making smoke looking steam a little bit more that way. So the boys are gonna build a Lego garbage truck together, giving me a little bit of time to go explore and go enjoy outside. I'm so excited. Time to get ready to go have some more fun. My battery's gonna die. Craziest things I've ever seen in my life. That's really hot. That was crazy.
A little hot.
That's crazy. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Ah, we did it. Okay. So, Wyoming friends, thank you so much for coming back each and every week to support this journey. It is so cool getting the chance to share our journey with you. Alrighty, real quick before you go though, I'm gonna need you to help me out. Okay, real quick. Don't forget, friends, we can like this video. There's a little thumbs up button. Click it. Lets me know you like the video. I mean, if you don't, that's okay too. And then lastly, don't forget to subscribe. And that way you know you're along for the ride. It's not right here, but there's a button. And it lets me know too. Alrighty, I will see you guys down the road and every Sunday with a new video. Bye. There's a little thumbs up button. Click it. Lets me know you like the video. This is our 30-foot school bus. This is our 30-foot... This is our 30-foot school bus. This is our 30-foot... This is our 30-foot school... And this is our 30... No. Okay, bye. I'm sweating so bad. Bye.